Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to 55 Plus Live. My name is Nick England.
And I'm Leela Peg.
And today is Tuesday, January 18th. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Yeah.
It's 2022.
We took a brief hiatus around the holidays. We definitely missed you guys, but we had a lot going on. So there's been some other videos going up, but we're happy to be back and starting this year off correctly with a new show. Lots of stuff packed in today.
Yes.
We're looking forward to.
Yes, and also kind of looking back today.
Yes, yeah.
At all the good things that happened in 2021.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's a great show. We're dedicating this show to you guys, to all of the great things that happened in 2021, and lots to look forward to. We'll have a tech topic with Brittany. We have a segment on Paint Build Create, and of course we have our top five event as well.
But right now, we are going to feature several of our 55 plus members across different centers that also are looking back and seeing what they're thankful for in 2021.
Yeah.
Which there is a lot to be thankful for.
Absolutely.
Despite everything.
Yes. So without further ado, we'll go now to those folks.
Hi, and welcome to another segment of Front Yard Interviews. Today, I'm at Langston Brown 55 Plus Center, and we're checking in with some of our 55 Plus members. We wanted to see what they're grateful for, so take a look.
Hi, my name is Solange Soler, and I'm a senior from Langston Brown. I'm very thankful for my family, my friends, health, and I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving.
Hello, my name is Juan Morriveron, and I'm from the Langston Brown Senior Center, and I'm pleased for everything from our Heavenly Father gave it to us in this life. I wish to all of you have the same blessings and enjoy this special holiday for everybody. Thank you very much.
I'm Nancy Sullivan. I'm at Langston Brown, and I'm grateful for friends and family. I'm grateful that we have activities to come to at Langston Brown.
Hi, my name is Elvia Gonzalez. I am at Langston Brown. I am thankful for all what I have, my house, my two sons, and my family. Thank God.
Hello, I'm Bob. I'm here today at Langston Brown, the drum circle, and I'm really enjoying being outside in this beautiful weather, and hope to have a little bit more of it. I'm very grateful that I am protected from COVID and can be out into the public.
Hi, I'm Fran Field at Langston Brown. I'm grateful for the 55 plus programs that continued going even through the pandemic by Zoom, where I made a lot of new friends who I may never have met because they go to different centers than I do.
Happy New Year! Feliz Año Nuevo! Feliz Año Novo!
Happy New Year, everyone!
Feliz Año Nuevo!
Happy New Year! Feliz Año Nuevo! Wishing you the best of this coming year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
So it's so nice to see that our 55 plus members have found something to be grateful for. Stay safe. Back to you, Nick and Leila.
All right, wow, what a great message. Great to hear from all those folks. Thank you for everyone that sent those in to us. So up next, we have a social media minute with Brittany that she'll run to next.
Hi everyone, I'm Brittany, and we're back with Social Media Minute, the segment where we pick a platform and share something interesting and fun. This month, we are headed to TikTok to check out an easy and quick appetizer. Brian Lewis, otherwise known as the username of Blues Foods, shows us how to whip up cranberry brie bites. Let's go check it out. Wow, those look amazing, maybe even good enough to try them on my own. Let's jump over to my kitchen and see how it went.
Welcome back. Thank you, Brittany, for that social media minute, and those cranberry brie bites look really good. I hope some of you guys try it. And up next is a segment from Paint, Build, Create. Enjoy.
Welcome to Paint and Sip, brought to you by Arlington County Parks and Recreation. Today, instructor Jennifer Droblin is going to walk you through how to create a winter landscape painting. We hope you enjoy it.
The painting that we're going to do today is based off a photo I found of the Shenandoah Mountains. So I hope you have a copy handy. You should have a 9x12 canvas board, a couple brushes, a glass of water to clean your brushes with, and some acrylic paint. And I'm using just a dry sponge first to start. And I'm going to see here, if we were to take this picture and to fold it into 4, just to sort of make it into palatable little chunks. You'll see that that mountain line is pretty much halfway. most part, I think I'm happy with what I did. So when you are finished, make sure you sign it. All artists sign their pictures. And what's great about a canvas panel is you can pop it easily into a frame. And I think I'm pretty happy with this guy. So thank you for joining me, everyone, and happy Paint, Build, Create Day. And make sure you join us for other programs. We have a lot of fun. So thanks again, and have a wonderful creative day. Bye.
All right, welcome back. And now it's time for
Top 5.
And we have best 55 moments of 2021.
Yep.
55 plus moments of 2021, excuse me.
Yes,
All
and
right.
there were lots of them, but we narrowed it down to 5. These are, actually they're really in no special order, except for I think the last one is especially good.
Okay, cool.
But let's start with number 5 is something that you guys have really enjoyed, and we just got so much great feedback from these, was our 55 plus outdoor programs, which we started in 2020, but I feel like we had a lot more offerings in 2021, and we were just, I don't know, we were just able to get as many, programs, exercise programs, music programs, special events outside as possible to keep everybody safe during the winter and spring of 21 and throughout the fall.
Yeah.
So our 55 plus outdoor programs.
Yes, those are so much fun. The music, and we went out to a few of them, I feel like, throughout the year. That was so much fun on the 55 plus live show. So.
Yep.
Yeah.
You want to?
All right, and next up is Springo, of course. What a fun event that was.
Spring plus bingo.
Spring, bingo, and spring.
Yes.
Like, what better?
For those of you that didn't attend.
Out in a lovely day, and lovely May day in a park, and it was a beautiful, great time. And, the people had so much fun. We had good feedback, and we might do that again this year. So.
Which I think would be great. And there were great prizes.
Yes.
So you don't want to miss it, because there are lots of prizes, and it was just fun being out there and playing bingo, and some of our staff did some kind of goofy fun things.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh, with Leanne and Elizabeth, their little dance routines.
Yes.
That was a lot of fun, and good music too.
Good music.
Yeah, it was a lot of good time.
Yes.
So yeah, maybe we'll see that one again. I don't know. All right.
Okay, so number 3 is, of course, 55 plus centers reopened.
Oh,
which
yeah.
I think that was a moment that everyone had been waiting for. And we were able to reopen in September and stay open in a safe way.
Gosh, it's only been since September.
It's only been through September.
It's
it
only
doesn't
been a
really
few months. I know. It's
seem
like
we've skipped a beat, but we have
I
skipped
know.
a beat.
Yeah.
But a lot of program offerings indoors and virtually. So we were just really happy that we were able to open most centers except for Walter Reed. Well, TBD on
Eventually,
that.
TBD. Hopefully this year. We'll see.
Yes.
All right. And the variety show, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We used this as our Senior Center Month event, kind of kicked off the opening of our senior centers in September. And there was just a lot of great features from different programs. We had like line dance. We had the comedian. Oh my gosh,
We had
what
all
else?
kinds of.
Yeah,
it was like a
there was
little
music,
talent
prizes,
feature.
games.
Yes.
Yeah.
It had a little bit of everything in it, and everyone who came had a great time. It was in honor of Senior Center Month, or to celebrate Senior Center Month. And there you are, Nick, because you're kind of like the
I wanted to
the
not
tech
be
guy
a part of
behind
this
all
one,
of the
but
workings
Here
of
I am
it.
with a microphone. That happened. So.
But it was great. It was a lot of fun, and again, a lot of people were able to enjoy it.
Very nice.
And number one is kind of a fun announcement that we just learned about. But the 55 Plus Programs team is receiving the County Manager's Excellence Award for all the work accomplished in 2021 to support our 55 Plus community during the pandemic.
Yeah.
So here's some pictures. Just, you know, I remember the first time that we were all like, virtual, how do we do virtual programming? And you know, now I feel like it's just like a regular
It's like
thing.
become part of a routine, but it really did take a lot of like deep thinking on our staff and, you know, our community and everybody to pull together and make this happen. And now it's, you know, we're always sometimes thrusted into something different, and you know, it's become something that I think will continue on for forever. This virtual programming, even whenever we get out of all this pandemic mess.
Right.
So.
Right, and what a positive thing that we'll end up, you know, really reaching more people, the people that can't come into the centers.
Yeah.
So that's definitely a silver lining. But then the meal programs, like the meal deliveries.
The meal deliveries, the vaccine calls and all that kind of stuff. We had to roll up our sleeves and get people signed up for vaccines for a while. There's been a lot of stuff that we've kind of pivoted towards. So it's great. Yeah, we're really proud of our team and everything that they've accomplished. So fantastic.
Right, and it's just great to, you know, just to know that we were able to, you know, contribute and help out in a meaningful way. To our 55 plus community, and we're being recognized by it for it. So
yeah, it's awesome.
Yay!
Very exciting. So that's our show. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Again, Happy New Year to you, and we will see you back here next time on February 15th.
Yes, and one last announcement, just to put on your radar, February 16th, which is the first day of spring registration.
Ooh, yes. Yes.
So February 15th, our next show, February 16th, spring registration.
Yep, and look for the guide a week before. So lots of fun stuff in there for spring. So great. All right, well, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.